This time, we will fix a battery charger that is not functioning optimally. The charging indicator LED does not turn on all the lights. Let's fix it. The first thing we do is open the cover. After cover was opened, clean the electronic components with a brush, as well as check for loose solder, because loose solder will affect the electric current entering the machine. If everything is confirmed to be properly installed, the next step is check the battery, whether there is rust on both ends. If there is rust, rub it with sandpaper until all the rust is clean. After that, try charging the battery again in the charger. After 1 hour, let's see what the battery status is with the altimeter. At 1.37 volt. The another one is 1.38 volt. This battery is 1.36 volt. This last one is 1.37 volt. It seems the charger has been worked normally, and I can charge my battery for my toys. Finally, I hope this video is useful. I hope you support this channel by pressing the subscribe button. You also have to share videos on your social media. Support comments are expected to develop this channel. Thank you.